Do you want to start your own labor and security service provider company? Do you have knowledge about it? How to start business? Are you facing difficulties in business licensing, documentation, salary calculation, overtime and compliance management, and many more? Don't worry, we are here to help you to get complete solution. We are PSARA's College of Professional Studies. Provide 2 days course on labor and security service business. Get a legal support for all documentation, compliance management. Get training by our industrial expert. And growth in labor and security providing service business. Join the course and get lifetime support, training certificate, and course material. Our previous successful workshop on labor and security service business.